Creating content shouldn't be this complicated. And with Riverside, it's not. Riverside makes the entire process easy, from recording to editing to streaming without having to jump from app to app. Everything you need is all in one place. Recording is simple. Hit record to capture your live session locally, maintaining the highest quality recording while also creating separate audio and video tracks for each participant. And when it comes to streaming, it's never looked this good. Stream in HD with high quality video and audio customized with your logo, background, and color theme. Engage with your viewers easily through the centralized chat box, bringing everyone together across different social channels. Riverside's AI-enhanced editor lets you cut down on editing time. Use it to transform your recordings into high-quality, branded content. Get transcriptions automatically and use them to edit just like a doc, or use the chaptered timeline where it's divided into chapters that make it easier to skim and scan. And when all's said and done, Riverside goes the extra mile to optimize your content for sharing. Add video captions in various styles, easily resize your videos for different channels. Plus, with more nifty AI features, Riverside helps you find and create your best clips, turning them into polished, viral content at the click of a button. So, ready to start creating? Try Riverside now for everything you need in a conversation studio for free.